in the bush. In the bush.
I gotta drill this hole like just a scotch bigger because it doesn't, like, the alignment between these, it's very close, but it's just a scotch off where it doesn't fit. So actually I'll do this side, then I can put the bolt in this way with the nut on this side.
For those of you that don't speak Wisconsin, a scotch is a small amount.
Scotch is actually about 1 millimeter or 2.
Just a C hair, right?
Yeah.
The world's most steady hands. Give me them. How many do you want? All of them. A company.
Put on. I gotta grab the doozy.
What's that spell?
Train wheel.
Tubes. This isn't the right one, is it? Oh yeah, that's one. Oh, it threads in so nice. Oop, and then it stops. I don't know, man, that's awfully tight.
Now the key is to drive all this stuff right to the bottom.
Yep. Packer in there.
Yep. It's good to have a little bit of metal pack at the bottom.
It's almost like a crush washer.
Yep. Helps hold it in. Once it gets hot enough, it'll weld the end of it to it.
That's why they got all messed up.
We're trying to make it an aluminum pile down there.
Would it be easier? Okay, probably not.
But why though? So we gotta flip this over, don't we?
Yep. Ooh. Upside down?
She's upside down.
That'd be fine.
What we should have did was actually
myself,
build the car upside down, and that would have
Or are
made it.
you just gonna try to pivot it?
Actually, yeah, let's just go this way. There we go. And she's thick girl. There we go.
Cool.
Oh, that was sweet.
Dude, that was tough. How are we gonna flip that?
Sammy Hagar. Ow! Ow! You might have a chilly milk. But our sticks got the heat. 3,000 watts of rock.
These are the lower control ends, right?
Yep.
Rear lowers.
Of hair.
Take two.
Yep.
Right side this time.
Hopefully. It still doesn't stick.
Yeah. Hopefully the thing's on there, right?
Yeah, these are gonna have to be fucking twist the other way, I'm thinking. Doing that. Looks better. Looks better already. Probably just torque them instead of hitting them with the... Yeah. It's hard enough to get to.
Yeah, how it's jammed back in there.
Yeah. Oh. Hammer. Bam, 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 bam. Please fit. God damn it. Alright, so having a little issue with the 4-piston CTSV rears. With the bracket that I originally had, with the mounting in this location, the caliper hit the barrel of the wheel. So what I did is I drew up this bracket in CAD and rotated the mounting down so it clears. So that's the new one. So to rotate it down, it's like 30 degrees versus OEM, or like this bracket. Originally why we did that, it was hitting the barrel and hitting the top knuckle on the gktech rear knuckle. So kind of just mocked up this piece of wood to see if it would all fit, and we had her on the rotor inside the rim, and now there's clearance. So the next step would be designing these holes into this and then getting it machined, going from there.
Yep, go ahead.
All right, back at her again.
Oh my god. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.
So with this bracket and this bolted up, the caliper is hitting, I guess, this joint. Now with the new one, bam, wood grain. It lowers it down and it clears it by far. The only thing is I'm gonna have to trim these off and figure something out on this side. Yeah, go from there, I guess.